The human-centered design and high-end residential standards perfectly meet customers' needs. Come and experience the harmonious environment and home space that HISS brings to customers. Humanized design makes disassembling of window screen much easier. It presents a simple design that is integrated with a sustainable environmental protection concept. This is a goal we constantly maintain. The dockable function is HISS's exclusive invention. It effectively improves the hand clamping problem of traditional scroll handle. It combines with innovative technology to produce a device that can remotely control and set the automatic stop. We use acoustic technology for analysis to reduce the sliding noise of the door. Its design of no upraised rail presents a barrier-free space. Let's experience the quiet and comfortable quality of life brought by technology.